How do you identify the most qualified team members for each unique project? Our CAD Learning project placement functionality will remove all the guesswork by leveraging analytics to identify the perfect candidates, both internal and external. Putting our project functionality to work in your organization is simple. Just leverage our stock CAD Learning goals to create roles for your organization. If you already know the perfect person for a role, you can assign them immediately. Or you can see who the best fit in your organization is based upon data on that role. Once you have made your decision, switch the user to Accepted, and the next time they log in, their dashboard will automatically populate with just the content they need to succeed in that role. Didn't find anybody internally who fits your criteria? Share an existing pre-hire assessment, or quickly create a new one to help you identify the best external candidate. Each candidate will receive an invitation to take the assessment. Once completed, you can review the results. Change your new hire to Accepted, and the role will automatically be assigned to them. As soon as you activate them as a user in your organization, the content will be waiting for them on their dashboard. When project needs change, you can easily remove employees from the project and search for new matches. The CAD Learning portal already has the most comprehensive data about your employees' current knowledge, as well as their knowledge gaps. With projects, you can put that data to work for you to first identify the best person for the job, then give them the exact content they need to onboard and upskill on that specific project.